Good morning, everyone. My name is Professor Kanzumba Kusakana. I'm the current chairholder of the NRF SARChI chair in Smart and Sustainable Energy System at Central University of Technology, Free State in Bloemfontein, South Africa.
Thank you, Prof. Can you please tell us about your academic journey and what inspired your research focus?
My academic journey started with a Bachelor of Electromechanical Engineering. There I actually learned about complex engineering problems, and it gave me a background in science, engineering, and a lot of mathematics. And after that, I moved to a Master's of Engineering. There, it was mainly related to supplying area far from the grid, and one of the solutions was Pico hydropower systems, because Pico hydropower system, where the resource is available, is a very, very nice solution. And after that, I moved to do my Doctor of Engineering in Electrical Engineering. Everything that was like not meeting the requirement when I was doing my master's, like unmet load, I actually used hybrid system, because when you know renewable resources are actually varying, and with hybrid system you can actually meet the load at every time. So what I did there, it was optimization of hybrid renewable energy system with battery storage system to actually meet the demand in area not supplied by the grid, and I moved on to systems that are connected to the grid. And then I went to do my MBA. In the MBA, there I actually learned all the strategic needs, the economic needs, because it's not only enough to actually come up with a product to bring engineering solution. You also need all those other knowledge from the MBA to actually come up with a viable solution, cost-effective solution, and also some type of policy that can strengthen all the engineering solution that you're bringing to problems.
What does being a SARChI chair mean to you personally and professionally?
Oh, yeah. Personally, it's quite an honor and it's a privilege. There's been a lot of people going into that direction, but being awarded this SARChI chair, it's huge, huge privilege. It actually recognizes all my journey, all my publication, the impact of my research, as well as all the solution that I'm giving to the engineering field. And in terms of professionally, this SARChI chair is actually a platform where where knowledge can be generated and knowledge can be shared with the industry as well as the government. So the SARChI chair, for me, it's a platform that will actually have high impact in engineering solutions.
Transformation is a key priority in South Africa. How is this reflected in your research program?
Okay, yes, as you say, transformation is a key pillar, and it's also a pillar of my research. Okay, and what I'm doing currently and what I've been doing for the past year is actually to give a voice, to give power to people, to, let me say, groups that were underrepresented, such as African female. And in my field, it's quite difficult to have female in engineering, and African female, it's way more difficult. So I've been able to support African females from bachelor, master's, up until PhD. And a few weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago, I had 2 graduates at PhD level who were black and female. Yes. So transformation also, I aligned my research with what is needed in South Africa. So in South Africa, we need energy access, energy reliability, and the research that I'm doing is trying to equip people with skill that will allow them to respond to the need of South Africa. Thank you.
Thank you, Prof. Today is the launch of the HDI. What are you looking forward to, and do you have any closing remarks before we close our session?
Today is a big day, so it's the start of a new journey, And as I say, being a chair is a responsibility. So today I consider like the day where they give me the key to go and start assisting other people in terms of capacity development, in terms of doing high impact research, in terms also of collaboration between academic, the industry, as well as the government. So today is the day where I start working as a chair, and for me the chair should be a platform where high impact research is being produced. So yeah, I'm quite happy and really excited.